This is You Can Change Vegan.
I've already made this recipe 3 times this week. Today, I'm making my tofu tacos. They're really easy to make. You just grab a block of firm tofu and grate it using the largest holes on a grater until you have nice shredded tofu like this. Add it into a large bowl. Now we're going to season the tofu, so grab out your spice jars, and to make it easy, we're going to use a teaspoon of each of these. Salt, pepper, chili powder, paprika, cumin, and coriander. Mix that all together. I find using your hands works best. Add the seasoned tofu to an oven tray or the air fryer basket. To help the tofu shreds get crispy, you can spray them with some oil. Bake or air fry for 30 minutes at 200 Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. Halfway through the cooking time, so after 15 minutes, we'll slice up some capsicums. If you haven't given wonky fruit and vegetables a try before, give them a go. They reduce waste, they're cheaper, and they taste the same. The tofu is starting to get crispy on top. Add in the red and green capsicum. Give it a stir so everything can get crispy, and then put it back in for the last 15 minutes, which leaves us just enough time to make a quick tomato salsa. Heat some oil over medium heat, add in the diced onions, and saute for a couple of minutes until softened. Now we add in the minced garlic, sugar, white vinegar, and tomato paste. Cook while stirring for 1 minute, and finish with a can of diced tomatoes. Allow the salsa to bubble and thicken for around 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now turn the heat off. Our tofu and capsicum are now cooked. There's crispy and juicy pieces. Add it to a large bowl, and then pour over the tomato salsa. Give everything a stir. All of that crispy tofu is going to soak up the salsa. Heat up your tortillas either in the microwave or in a pan, and then scoop the tofu mixture on top. To garnish, use coriander if you like that, or some parsley. Squeeze over some fresh lime, and add some more in the center. Now it's time to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and like if you enjoyed my recipe video. Here's my subscriber update, and watch more vegan recipe videos here.